Hello guys, I got this Dyson Animal Cyclone Plus vacuum from quite a while now, which has been pretty good. But recently the battery is playing on this one, like it's only lasting probably, I don't know, not even a minute, and it goes flat. And every time I have to plug back in and then it goes for another 30 seconds and it goes flat again. So I was looking for the battery for this one, which is actually really expensive. So what I have come up with, the substitute for this one is this. So I ordered this stuff. It's the adapter for Makita battery, which plugs onto the Dyson vacuum cleaner. So let's open this up first. So I got this a box. In this box you got the adapter, which looks like this. So in a box you get this adapter, which you put it on your Dyson vacuum, and then this Makita battery just take this off, goes on like that. So let's put it on. So you know, on the Makita battery there are 3 screws, 1, 2, and there's one here at the back, which you need to take off with these small Phillips head screws. Okay, so I have got these 3 screws off. So what do? Just pull it out gently. So you know, this is how it looks like. That's the Dyson battery, and that's the Makita battery. Makita battery adapter. So this is the Dyson, bit thinner. This is a bit thicker. That's how it looks at the back. Okay, so now I'll put this on. This goes on like that. Just fits in so well, and now you need to tighten these screws up. So there you go. That's what it looks like after the installation of the Makita battery adapter. So that's the slow, that's the medium, and that's the boost mode. I'm actually surprised the grunt on this one with the battery, Makita battery, is actually sounds powerful. According to the instructions, the Makita 5 amp battery 18 volt should last probably anywhere from like half an hour to 40 minutes, but it depends how you use it. Yeah, so pretty happy with this one. Let me know your thoughts and comments. Yeah, 5-star. Thanks very much guys. Thanks for watching the video. Okay, one thing guys, so you know you won't be able to use the old Dyson adapter. So what I have done here is I bought a little hook from Bunnies. But how it goes on there.